Hello everyone, welcome to episode 11 of Senior Tech. Today's episode is how to use Google Documents. It's a great free feature that you get when you have a Google account. In episode 9 we showed you how to open a Google account. Episode 10 we covered Google Photos. Now today we're going to show you how to get Google Drive, which is an excellent feature that's completely free. Let me start. We're going to go to our Chrome browser, which automatically signs in as our Senior Tech account. And if I go here, the 9 little buttons where all the free Google apps live, I am going to click on Google Drive right here. Here it's giving me some information to get started and so on. It's telling me that we get 15 gigabytes free for photos, documents, and more. I recommend that you don't use Google Drive to store your photos. It's better to store them in Google Photos like we showed in the last episode. That way you don't use your storage space here. Google Photos gives you unlimited storage for photos. 15 gigabytes is quite a bit of storage if you're just storing documents. So let's X out of this. The first thing to do is to get the features that are available on this, and you do this by going to Settings, click once on it. Get Backup and Sync for Windows, click on that. Click once. So right now it's downloading that feature for me. Well, it's going to ask us first if it's for personal or business use. Of course, you use the personal. Click the download button. You agree to the terms and download. And it's downloading it right here. And it downloaded it already. So let's click on that once. It's going to ask me permission if I want to let this application make changes to the computer. I tell it yes. If you're on a fast internet connection like I am, it's a very quick download, and the installation takes a little bit longer. But you'll see the features that this gives you are great. Okay, the installation is complete, so we just hit the close button here. And let's close out of this window. And here I am in my Google Drive. Now I recommend here to store documents, important documents. This will be stored on the cloud for you. It will be safe. You can move documents here several ways. One easy way to do it is if you minimize this window by clicking this little box, you can drag anything that you want into it by just taking it, holding your button over it, and dragging it in there. So for example, if I go to my documents here, I can take this document, hold it, keep holding the mouse button, just drag it over, and it will copy it right into my Google Drive, and it'll be stored on the cloud. It'll leave the copy on your computer also. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now, but just wanted to demonstrate how to move documents into there. Get notifications on your computer for shared files and imported events. I will turn that on. Google wants to know, show notifications. I'm going to allow it to do the notifications because that way I get important messages and so on. Okay, now that I've installed my Google Docs on here, when I click this button here, My Drive, you see Google Docs, which is the equivalent of, for example, Microsoft Word or any kind of Word type document editor. Google Sheets will open any Excel spreadsheets that you get. This will open any Word documents. It'll open PDFs. Google Slides is the equivalent of PowerPoint. So that is free. It's there now for you. There are other things that you find under this My Drive. You can create a new folder to safely store things and keep them organized. You can upload files individually, or you can upload an entire folder. I'm going to upload my Documents folder. If you keep your important documents in your Documents folder and upload that, you will have it saved on your right on your Google Drive. So I just went here, told it to upload documents, click upload. Uploads has 3 files to the site, and I tell it to upload, and it's uploading the documents. Completed it. Now this is the folder. If I click on that, double click on it, there are the sample documents that are inside my Documents folder. So it's very simple. It's a very handy feature. Again, you get 15 gigabytes of free storage. You can always upgrade that and have more storage if you need it. But if you keep this strictly to documents and keep your photos, your videos, and so on in Google Photos, which has an unlimited amount of free storage, you're going to be fine. You can store a lot of important documents here. I suggest that you keep it to important documents. These are other features that you can do here to move things around and so on, but I can go back to My Drive and I'm back here again. So you can create folders here for different things, or just bring the items in separately by dragging, holding, and dropping them in here. Again, you can do a lot of things here. I'll show you Google Docs, for example. And here it is. It's a word editor. So you can work here, compose things, and so on. Under File, you can print from them. You can create a new spreadsheet from here, a new presentation, a new form, a new drawing. You can share it. You can download this document once you create it. You can download it onto your computer, and you can give it whatever format you want here. So you can download it as a Word document from Microsoft. You can download it as a PDF. So there's a lot of things here that you can do. Again, I suggest, like always, just play with this and find out all the neat things that you can do. Okay, let's close out of that one and show you the Google Sheets. And what this is, any of you that have worked with spreadsheets before, it works very similarly to Microsoft Excel. So, you can move your columns and so on. But these will be a completely separate class that I'll give on this in some of our next videos. So let's close out of that. So that is your Google Docs. Remember, to get started, you're going to have to download them here by clicking on that and get back up in sync for Windows. Downloaded. Agree. And install it. So it's a very simple process, and you get a lot of good things with it. Again, like always, we thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the little thumbs up symbol here on the bottom. and like our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and you can help us get better rankings on YouTube so more people see these videos when they do searches. For an easy connection to all of our videos, you can go to our website, which is 2bcomputers.com, and follow the link to Senior Tech, and you'll see a full menu of links to all of our videos. There's a direct link to our website right on the description of this video below. And again, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Senior Tech.